Wallace Stimulator Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. The Wallace Stimulator isn't just another wellness gadget. You won't believe the science packed into this small device. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for stress relief, but the surprising truth is it's declared for treating depression, anxiety, and insomnia, making it a versatile tool for mental wellness. Pricing depends on whether you buy a single unit or a subscription plan. A standard unit costs around, which includes electrodes, straps, and a charger. Many users opt for a subscription, which provides replacement electrodes and unlimited support, usually adding per month. You won't believe how often regular use is recommended. Sessions last just 20 minutes a day, providing measurable improvements in mood, sleep, and focus without medication. Most people get this wrong by comparing the upfront cost to cheap gadgets. The real value comes from clinical effectiveness and ongoing support. For example, studies show up to 80% of users report reduced anxiety and improved sleep after consistent use. Plus, unlike medications, there are minimal side effects, making it a safe option for long-term use. In conclusion, Wallace Stimulator pricing reflects both the device quality and its therapeutic benefits. By considering upfront cost, subscription support, and clinical results, you go from zero to pro in evaluating whether this device is worth your investment. It's more than a gadget, it's a practical, evidence-backed solution for mental wellness.